upbeat music playing. Welcome back to the channel, where we help you navigate the wild world of shopping. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the Nugo Steam Mop. Let's see which one can mop the floor with the competition. First up, let's talk about the price. Gorfinti comes in at a whopping $139, while Nugo is a more wallet-friendly $109. Reviewers of Nugo appreciate its reasonable price and effectiveness, making it a budget-friendly choice. Meanwhile, Gorfinti's users feel that its price reflects its versatility and power, making it worth the investment for more demanding cleaning tasks. Now, on to the steam temperature. Gorfinti heats up fast in just 20 seconds and eliminates 99.9% of stubborn stains, which has impressed many users who find it effective for various surfaces. On the other hand, Nugo cranks it up to a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which reviewers rave about for its ability to tackle tough stains, particularly sticky residues left by other mops. Nugo certainly seems to win in the heat department. Both mops offer adjustable steam modes, which is fantastic. Gorfinti has 3 levels for your cleaning pleasure, and reviewers enjoy the versatility it provides. Nugo also has adjustable steam, with settings for hardwood and tough dirt, which users find particularly helpful for different cleaning needs. It's like having a personal trainer for your floors. Both products shine in this category. Let's discuss the water tanks. Gorfinti has a petite 300 milliliters tank, which some users find limiting as they have to refill it frequently. In contrast, Nugo boasts a 15.2 ounces tank, which reviewers appreciate for reducing the need for constant refilling. Less refilling means more cleaning time, and that's a big win for Nugo. When it comes to weight and height adjustability, Gorfinti is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to reach those dead corners, a feature praised by many users. Nugo takes it a step further with an adjustable height feature, allowing users to clean without bending down, which is a hit among those who prefer comfort while cleaning. Both products cater to user comfort well. Both mops come with a 23 feet cord. That's like having a pet snake trailing behind you while you clean. Reviewers of both products appreciate this long cord for the freedom it provides during cleaning sessions. Just be careful not to trip over it. Overall, Gorfinti is highly praised for its versatility, power, and ease of use, making it a great investment for many users. Nugo, on the other hand, is celebrated for its budget-friendly price, effectiveness in cleaning, and ease of use, especially on tough stains. Both products have their loyal fans. So after all the steam and comparisons, which mop should you take home? If you want versatility and a bit of pizzazz, Gorfinti may be your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, powerful cleaning machine, Nugo could be the one for you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Remember, product links are in the description.